Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to change your YouTube handle name on YouTube app. First of all, tap open your YouTube app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change the handle name for. Then you can see your profile icon on the right upper corner. You'll have to tap on it. After you're on the profile information page, you can see your channel as the first option below your name. You'll have to tap on it. After tapping, you'll be redirected to a page something like this where you can see your picture, name and handle. You can change your picture, you can change the name and also the handle from this page. To change the handle, you'll have to tap on the edit icon which is on the right side of the handle. After that, you can type in the handle name you want to change it to. After you're done with typing in your handle name, then you can see a save option on the right upper corner. Tap on it. After tapping, your handle name is changed. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.